This video demonstrates how to correctly clean a roller sleeve. First, use a 5-in-1 tool to remove as much paint as possible. The 5-in-1 tool is shaped to make cleaning out a roller sleeve easier. The more paint removed using this method, the easier it will be to wash the rest of the paint out of the roller sleeve. Insert the roller spinner into the dirty roller sleeve and put the sleeve into the first wash. In this case, the first wash uses warm, soapy water. The soap helps break down the latex paint. If the sleeve was used for thinner-driven material, soap would not be used. Instead, this first wash would use paint thinner or whatever thinner was used to thin the paint. The second wash further reduces the amount of paint held in the interior and exterior of the sleeve. The final wash is meant to rinse any remaining material from the sleeve. This wash will likely require going back and forth between the spinner bucket and the final wash bucket until the sleeve is satisfactorily cleaned. Remember to keep the sleeve down in the bucket enough to avoid splatter when spinning.